Hey, Angie Nelson here from theworkathomewife.com. May 1st is already upon us, and that means school is going to be out pretty soon. So today we are going to be talking about some great opportunities for you to work from home this summer. And make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out how you can get my free 7-day series on finding work at home. Now, the first opportunity we are going to be talking about for earning some quick summer cash is going to be flipping. Now, this is a really popular opportunity these days with so many great sites for selling such as eBay, Amazon FBA, Etsy, and even a lot of the online apps that are available such as Depop or Let Go that will allow you to earn cash by turning in some of those unwanted items. But that doesn't have to just end with what's around your house. With summer upon us, there's going to be a lot of garage sales and flea markets going on, and that's a great opportunity for you to pick up some quality merchandise on the cheap. And then you're going to let it go on one of these sites at a higher price and make a profit on that. But this can be a great opportunity to earn some extra cash. And you can also flip these items on some of your local Facebook groups, or even taking them to some consignment stores locally if there's enough of a profit margin for you to work with there. Now, another great online opportunity these days is teaching English as a second language. Now, you don't need to necessarily have any teaching experience or even a teaching degree to get involved in this field. In many cases, all these sites require is just a bachelor's degree, or even that you be enrolled in a college or university. Now, the great thing about these English as a second language sites is that it's a great opportunity for many of you moms out there, especially during the summer months where you're going to have kids at home and you maybe need to work those fringe hours, whether that's late nights or early mornings. Now, because they're on the other side of the world, when they're going to need assistance, which is going to be in their evenings, it's going to be early morning here in the U.S. In most cases, it's usually about 4 to 7 a.m. Eastern time that these tutoring courses are going to be happening online. So it's a great opportunity for you to get up early, earn some quick cash, and get on with your day. Now, in last week's video, we talked about earning money from home taking reservations. In the summer months, we see a large demand for work-at-home agents in the hotels, cruise lines, rental car companies, and airline companies that hire work-at-home agents. All of these companies are really hiring right now or will be soon and holding their training classes in preparation for the summer months. A lot of these are going to be temporary positions, so if you're still a little on the fence about whether you want to do customer service work, as I share a lot about my story, when I started working from home, I worked customer service positions for a few months. And I wasn't asking myself whether I could do that forever. I was asking myself whether I could do it for a little bit while I built up my virtual assistant business or while I got the better job. So for many of you out there that are kind of still on the fence about this, a temporary job can be a great solution to start getting some of the regular paychecks rolling in while you work towards your bigger work-at-home goals. Now, I'll leave you a link in the description below to some of those reservation companies and a post with a big list of those, but some of those we talked about last week were Enterprise, U-Haul, Hilton, Hyatt, and beyond. So keep those names in mind as you are doing your job search this week. Now, freelancing is another one that will really allow you to take advantage of those fringe hours that maybe you don't have kids around or your kids are napping, or maybe they're going to the pool with some friends for a couple of hours. Anytime that you can squeeze in a little bit of work and you really need something flexible, freelancing can be a great option. Now, when we get into the freelancing industry, we can be talking about everything from freelance writing to virtual assisting to social media management and beyond. So there's really an opportunity for a lot of you out there to take advantage of some of your skills that you have now, or maybe even some new skills that you pick up online, and put it to good use in earning some extra cash this summer. Now, if you don't want to spend your whole summer stuck at home, there's some great opportunities to get out in the community to make some extra money. Right now, there is a big demand for drivers and even delivery drivers. With this, we're talking about opportunities like Uber and Lyft Amazon Flex, or Uber Eats. All of these are a great opportunity to earn some extra cash and do it on your own terms. You get to choose the hours that you're available to work. And these don't pay too bad either. And I know with Uber, they have recently added an instant pay opportunity that will allow you to cash out your earnings up to 5 times a day. That can be a great opportunity for you to put into place right now that you can take advantage of should you ever be in a pinch. Now, those are just a few opportunities that you can take advantage of this summer. As far as when we're talking about some tips to making it all work for those of you that have some kids at home this summer, or maybe you're working around another job, one of the first things that you want to do is establish a schedule. Now, we talked a little bit about working the fringe hours, just those little pockets of time that you find throughout the day, maybe early in the morning, late at night, that you can take advantage of. If you do have kids at home, make sure you get them on a schedule as well. I know a lot of the local libraries this time of year have some summer reading programs in place, and that's a great opportunity for you to get them kind of involved in their own work schedule. Maybe certain hours of the day are going to be for reading time in order for them to get those assignments done and get those prizes or incentives that are available for completing those reading programs. Well, it may be necessary for you to secure some childcare. Now, that doesn't always mean hiring a babysitter or paying someone, though that's certainly an option as well. You can go ahead and take advantage of some of those things in your community that are available, whether it be a summer camp, maybe it's vacation Bible school at your church, maybe it is that library story time that happens once a week for an hour that you could take the kids in for story time, and you can be over in the other part of the library on your laptop or utilizing their computers in order to get some work done. It's really about being creative sometimes and kind of taking advantages of opportunities that not everyone else sees. And if you know a lot of other work-at-home moms, this is a great opportunity to start a babysitting co-op. Maybe each of you can take one afternoon a week to babysit everyone else's kids so that that mom can get some free time and some quiet time in order to get her work done. It's really an opportunity for you to build a community as well and start helping out some of those other moms that are trying to make those same dreams as you come true. Now, I'm going to go ahead and leave you a link in the description below to find out some more about some of the opportunities that we talked about today. Make sure you check out that free 7-day series on finding work at home as well. And if you like today's video, please give it a like and a share, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you'll get notification of the next video. Until then, I wish you best of luck in your work at home job search.